morning, second class. I hope you all are doing great, having a great day. So, it's only morning, but still, I hope you are having a great morning. So, today I'll be your teacher and I'll be teaching you English. So, for that, take out your English books. This is what it looks like. And open page number 34 of it. We are going to read today chapter 4, The Blue Jay. Yes, that's right. We are going to learn about or talk about the bird jay today. So as you can see here, it's a blue colored bird and his name is Jay. So this is what your bird looks like. I know not exactly the replica, but still, है ना, थोड़ा बहुत तो it resembles. So let's read. Shall we read? Okay, very good. The blue jay is a noisy bird. What do you mean by that? ये क्या कह रहा है इसमें? That the जो blue jay bird है वो क्या है? It's a noisy bird. Noisy bird means बहुत शोर मचाती है वो बर्ड. ओके, सो बहुत नॉइज मचाती है या बहुत नॉइजी है, बहुत शोर मचाती है या बहुत उसकी जो पिच है वो बहुत हाई है. तो आई विल बी व्हेन आई विल बी गिविंग यू दिस link of this video that I'm making with you, plus I'll also be attaching a link of the sound of this blue jay bird. ठीक है, तो इस वीडियो के साथ साथ I'll also be linking one more video और audio जिसमें क्या होगा, इस blue jay bird की क्या होगी, वॉइस होगी, है ना. तो इससे you'll be able to see और you'll able to hear कि उसकी वॉइस how it's noisy, है ना. तो उससे you'll able to figure out, हाँ yes it's a noisy bird, शोर मचाती है ऐसे. ओके, सो उस वीडियो से आपको पता लग जाएगा कि what is the noise or how is the noise or the voice of this bird is. Okay, so don't worry. But a very handsome sight. Very handsome sight. What do you mean by sight? Sight means कोई चीज, whatever the thing that we can able to see. जैसे suppose this is a blackboard, this is a sight to my eyes. Sight to my eyes means जो भी मेरी eyes ये देख रही है, it's a sight. तो ऐसे ही blue jay क्या है, noisy है, but देखने में to the eyes it's a very handsome bird, है ना. बहुत ही सुंदर और बहुत ही handsome है. Why are we saying handsome? Because it's a like male bird. So the blue jay is a noisy bird but a very handsome sight. वो noisy है but बहुत ही handsome है देखने में. He wears a sky blue jacket striped and patched with grey, black and white. तो क्या है, he wears a sky blue jacket. Not that really he wears a jacket, but the whole fur or you can say the whole skin is of blue color, है ना. तो कौन से कलर की बर्ड है, यहाँ पे तो नहीं, कौन से कलर की बर्ड है, it's of a blue color bird, but it also has stripped and patched, stripes and patches हैं of the color grey, black and white. Okay, so these are the patches. Here also there's color, eyes are also colored. So ये जो patches हैं वो कौन सी color के patches हैं, white, grey and black. Very good, understood? Okay, so let's move on. He is often called a mischief maker. अच्छा, often called मतलब often means बहुत frequently उसको क्या कहा जाता है, या बहुत I am oftenly called a good girl या जो भी है, a good teacher, or you are called oftenly called a गुड स्टूडेंट, मतलब आपको ज्यादातर क्या कहा जाता है, गुड स्टूडेंट। ऐसे ही ज्यादातर इस बर्ड को what they call is mischief maker. What do you mean by mischief maker? It's also written here, a naughty person. You all are, है ना, you all were mischief maker in your classes, you all know that. So आपकी तरह ये भी bird क्या है, the blue jay is also a mischief maker, a naughty person, और जो है ना naughty चीजें करता है, दूसरों को टीज करता है या फिर परेशान करता है या फिर, है ना, ऐसे। सो बाय ऑल द अदर बर्ड्स ही इज ऑफन कॉल्ड, कौन उसको कहता है मिस्चीफ मेकर? ऑल द अदर बर्ड्स दैट आर सराउंडिंग हिम और दैट लिव्स अराउंड हिम। फॉर ही लाइक्स टू टीज एंड स्केयर एंड चेज एंड ऑलवेज लव टू बी हर्ड। ओके, so for he likes to tease, हम उसको क्यों कहते हैं, why do you call him or why the birds called him mischief maker? Because he always likes to tease and scare and chase. Tease मतलब किसी को टीज करना, परेशान करना, है ना। he always likes to tease, he always likes to scare other birds. scare मतलब डराना, ओके। तो और बर्ड्स को डराता था, वो डराना उसको अच्छा लगता था, टीज करना अच्छा लगता था। प्लस टू चेज ऑल्सो, चेज मतलब किसी को पकड़ना, है ना, टू रन और टू फॉलो समवन, ओके। So that's why, because he liked to tease, he liked to scare and chase, that's why all the birds used to call him mischief maker. Very good. And always loved to be heard, but he always also liked to be heard. To be heard means उसको अच्छा लगता था जब उसको कोई सुनता थी। He always liked कि कोई मुझे सुने, कि I should be heard, है ना। He always liked to be heard. He lives here in the summertime and in the winter too. Here means wherever he's living, है ना। He used to live, वो he also lives in the summertime there only and also in the winter too. Why they are mentioning this? Why? Because there are some birds who migrates in some, like in winters they migrate to another country, they also migrate to another city, है ना। तो बहुत सी birds ऐसी होती हैं जो summer time में they live in some country or some area, और जैसे ही winters आते हैं they migrate means वहां से कौन सी दूसरी जगह पे चल जाते हैं where the weather is not that cold, है ना, okay। तो but this is not the case with our bluebird jay, जो विंटर और समर दोनों में ही कहाँ रहता है, अपनी ही जगह में रहता है। he doesn't migrate, so he lives here in the summer time and he lives here in the winter too. So don't forget to leave a treat. Why we are saying this? कि हाँ हमेशा ही 24/7 12 months कि Jay lives here only. So don't forget to leave a treat. Leave a treat means उसके लिए don't forget to leave something, है ना, कोई भी treat, whether chapati or whatever, bird food, whatever, don't forget to leave because Jay is always here, है ना, हमेशा यहीं पे है, तो don't forget to leave a treat. And he'll be sure to knock. Thank you. Whenever you leave a treat to Jay, Jay is he's mischief maker, but he's a very good bird. So whenever you treat himself or you give him a treat, he always knock you and he'll say thank you. This is a very good quality. Whenever someone gives you something, a treat or whatever, you always say thank you. Very good. That's how our Jay is. Jay is a very good bird. So don't forget to give him a treat, and whenever you give him a treat, he'll sure to knock. Sure to knock means on your doorstep he'll knock and he'll say thank you. Very good. So the chapter is complete. I hope you all have understood whatever I told you. The chapter you have understood. अगर आपको कुछ भी नहीं समझ आया है, if there's anything that you have not understood and you have some queries, है ना, कोई भी questions हैं आपके या कोई query है या फिर कुछ भी है that you have not understood, you can always send your questions or queries in the groups itself and I'll clear it up. I'll make another video of the doubt session also and there I'll clear your doubts. Don't worry, कुछ भी नहीं समझ आ रहा आप हमेशा पूछ सकते हैं ग्रुप में, और मैं आपको आई क्लियर योर डाउट्स. ओके, so after reading the chapter, now, okay, I've been told that you have already done page number 35 and 36, है ना. पहले ही आपने 35 और 36 कर लिया है, तो we are going to do page number 37. Take out page number 37 and we are going to do this question now. Okay, the question is, select the correct describing words to complete the sentences. What do you mean by this? We have to select the correct describing words. Describing words में हमने आपको पहले ही समझा दी होंगे, cause it's also here. So describing words means किसी भी चीज को जब हम describe करते हैं किसी भी एक word के through, है ना. किसी भी चीज को, जैसे it's a blue jay, it's a mischief maker, है ना. We are describing the bird with some words, जैसे mischief maker, blue bird, noisy bird. तो noisy, mischief maker, blue, that's all are describing words, and describing words for bird J. तो ऐसे ही we are given with some describing words, जैसे old, furry, tasty, sweet and cold. तो what we are going to do, हमें इन्हीं describing words से we have to complete all these sentences. Okay, so you all have to do it on your own. I'll just quickly read it and you have to guess it yourself. I also told you it's okay, but you have to complete this exercise. Okay, and I am going to be, doing it into the book. You are going to do into the book now, but the homework is you have to do this exercise into your notebooks. ठीक है, आप ये क्वेश्चन अपनी नोटबुक में भी करेंगे, और नोटबुक में करके you will send the pictures in the group. Okay, so note that you have to do the question on page number 37 into your notebooks. Very good. Okay, so the first one is, a rose has a dash smell. Rose has a, rose is a flower, है ना. तो रोज की कैसी स्मेल हो सकती है, कैसी स्मेल होती है? ओल्ड स्मेल? No. Furry smell? No, furry is not a smell. Tasty smell? No. Sweet smell? Yes, very good. So rose has a sweet smell. Write it. SWEET. Sweet means मतलब very nice and sweet सी, मीठी सी खुशबू होती है. Okay, so the second one is, mother cooks dash food. This is pretty easy, right? Oh yes, you got that right. Mother cooks tasty food. Very good. Here's the word tasty. You have to write it on the second one. First is sweet. Second is T-A-S-T-Y. Okay, don't go with the capital. Tasty. Okay, very good. Then we have, it is a dash day. Okay, we have to look at this. So here's a man and he's wearing what clothes? Yes, winter clothes, which means the weather is wintry. So if the weather is wintry, so what will be the day? It is a, very good. तो weather है, अगर cold weather है, I mean winter चल रहा है, तो कैसा day होगा? Cold day. ठंड होती है क्योंकि winter में. Very good. So write cold into the third, fill in the blanks. Third one is very good. Cold. The fourth one is, my dog has dash skin. Dogs की कैसी skin होती है? Dogs are all, we are only left with two, है ना. 2 ही options रह गए, एक तो old और एक furry. तो ओल्ड स्किन तो नहीं होगी ना. स्किन, डॉग स्किन आर और इज, डॉग स्किन इज फरी इन नेचर. वेरी गुड. फर होता है ना उसके ऊपर डॉग के स्किन पे. सो इन द फोर्थ वन व्हाट यू विल राइट? फरी. Very good. You all are very intelligent. Great students. So the last one is Kiran is an dash woman. और यहाँ पे women भी बनाई हुई है. As you can see, she has a stick in her hand, which means whitish grayish hair. So she's an old lady. So Kiran is an old woman. Very good. Very good. Done? Very nice. Well done. So our chapter number 4 is complete and 37 page number is also complete. So I hope you have understood. If not, you can always send in the questions. So have a great day. Bye.